everybody, what's up and welcome to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how you add embedded code to your Squarespace website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys, go ahead to the official squarespace.com website and log into your account. After logging in guys, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here where you can see all the websites that you have. So guys, let's go ahead to the website where we want to add our embed code. Go ahead and click on the website and now this will open up our website in the page. So guys, you can see, currently we can see our website, but to add our embedded code, we have to open it in edit mode. So to do that, just click this button in the upper left corner called edit. And now, after clicking that guys, this will open up our website in editorial mode, where we can edit our website. So guys, how do you add an embedded code? It's very easy. First, you want to go ahead and find where you want to add it. As you can see here guys, let's say we want to edit this section here. And as you can see, there is a plus button in the upper right corner with a text saying add block. We want to click this button right here called add block. So after clicking that guys, now this will open up this options tab where we can select what we want to add. There is multiple options here, but let's go ahead and type in embed right here. And this will open up the option to insert embed into your site. So go ahead and click on that and double click on this when it will open up, and then you will be able to add your link. You can either add a link or you can add a code snippet. Let's say you want to add a code snippet. Go ahead and click that and just paste your code snippet right here. I copied one of our videos, and after clicking that guys, you can see now we have entered our video right here as an embed, and we can change it, we can put it wherever we want, we can resize it and so on. So guys, after doing that, just go ahead into the upper left corner and click on save. And after that guys, now this will be saved and you have successfully added embed to your Squarespace website. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.